Welcome to the Supplementary Authorization in Computer Science, Class 1. This has been made possible through the grant that we have between San Francisco Unified and SF State. It's called CS4SF. It's a 3-year medium-sized award from 2019 to 2021. This grant aims to address two critical areas for San Francisco Unified. We have a lack of qualified computer science high school teachers, and also there's a lack of diversity among the students who take computer science high school. So there's three things at the district level. We do not have computer science in all high schools. Some schools have more computer science classes than other schools. And even at those schools that do have computer science, there's an unequal distribution of who is actually enrolled and taking that class, and a lot of underrepresented minorities in computer science. Traditionally, African Americans, Latinx students, and Indigenous populations are not taking those highly sought after high school computer science electives. So our grant looked at this and hopes to fix it through a three-pronged approach. Number one, it funds a community of practice for our teachers. This is our existing computer science teachers. Our research has shown that the best way to retain teachers is to give them the supports that they need, especially for teaching computer science. You might be the only one at your school that teaches it. So we have monthly community of practice meetings where we offer community support, content knowledge, and pedagogical research into how to teach computer science. And we also offer a summer institute at SF State where all our computer science teachers K through 12 can meet and mingle and share ideas. This helps with teacher retention. CS majors at SF State TA in San Francisco Unified secondary classrooms. This has proved very fruitful in engaging students, especially students from underrepresented groups, because a lot of computer science TAs are from San Francisco Unified and from underrepresented groups, and they can show a pathway into college for our students who are taking computer science. And it's been very successful. Everybody loves it. And third is the Supplementary Authorization in Computer Science, where we identify new computer science teachers, such as you, to teach in San Francisco Unified. So this will help us with our teacher pipeline. We need to recruit, and it's our goal to recruit and retain Black, Indigenous, and other computer science teachers of color to help disrupt inequitable patterns of student participation. So we hope these three-pronged approach will address the fact that we don't have enough computer science teachers and there's a lack of diversity in who gets access to those computer science classes. Welcome, Cohort 3. Here's a quick snapshot of who your fellow cohort people are. Mainly high school, some middle school. We have selectively recruited from schools that do not have a lot of computer science right now. We're hoping that you can make a difference to who gets access to computer science classes in San Francisco Unified. Okay, our schedule. This is a 1-unit class, and traditionally we've done it in 1 week, but we consulted with distant learning experts at SF State and we decided to pace it out. So pretty much it's a flipped model. You'll have pre-work to do, assessments to do before you start the day, and then it's only 2 Zoom classes. So you have a Zoom class in the morning about content and a Zoom class a little bit later on pedagogy, and you have time to work offline, and there will be office hours at that time. I highly recommend this book by Suchi Grover. It's a collection of white papers from conferences, cutting edge research on how to teach computer science in the K-12 arena. It's designed for computer science teachers, so it might be a bit technical yet, but I think it's a good companionship for the supplementary authorization, maybe not the first class. And it also has a paper from San Francisco Unified on how to bring joy to the computer science classroom. Okay, looking forward to meeting you next week.